Hi, this is Westgate Property Management, and I'm outside of 545 Almanor Drive in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in East Petaluma and directly across the street from a really wonderful neighborhood park, play structures and picnic tables. Large driveway, attached 2-car garage it has an additional storage area as well. Really a nice size garage. So you come into the grand entryway, really high ceilings. Immediately to your right is the living room that overlooks the front of the home, as well as dining room area. Opens to a really large kitchen with an island, tons of storage, gas range, and a family room. Go this way and see the refrigerator and stove and oven. And the backyard is a really nice, low maintenance yard. There is 1 full bath and 1 full bedroom downstairs. So through this entryway, there is access to a bedroom. It could be used as an office as well. Really nice. Full bathroom here downstairs, shower. Laundry room. And this is the access to the garage. So really nice size garage and kind of additional storage over here to the right. Now we'll go upstairs. So double entry to the primary bedroom. This is a really large room. Fireplace. Access to the ensuite private toilet, shower, and tub area, as well as a vanity. There's also a large walk-in closet. So these are the smaller bedrooms, but still adequately sized. There's a hall bathroom here, separate toilet and shower area, and another really large bedroom here and closet. This one looks over the front of the home, including the park. So again, this is 545 Almanor in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.